Are you still right-clicking and praying you'll find the right option? Stop. In this lesson, I'll show you Excel worksheet tricks that will make you look like a spreadsheet wizard. Smash that subscribe button if you're ready to level up. Worksheets are the individual pages within an Excel workbook where you enter and manage your data. Mastering worksheet management allows you to organize complex datasets, create separate reports, and navigate your workbooks efficiently. By default, a new Excel workbook contains one worksheet, but you can easily add, remove, and arrange them. Inserting a new worksheet. You can add more worksheets to your workbook as needed using any of the following options. 1. Using the plus icon in the Worksheet tab. The easiest and quickest way to add a new worksheet is to click the New Sheet, a plus button, located to the right of the last Worksheet tab. 2. Using the Insert Sheet command on the Home tab. On the Home tab, in the Cells group, select Insert. From the drop-down list, select Insert Sheet. 3. Using right-click. Right-click an existing Worksheet tab. Then, select Insert from the context menu. In the Insert dialog box, select Worksheet and click OK. Renaming a worksheet. By default, Excel names worksheets as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, etc. It is unprofessional to use such generic naming convention in a workplace. You should, therefore, use descriptive names for your worksheets to easily identify their content. To rename a worksheet, use any of the following options. 1. Using double-click. Double-click the Worksheet tab you want to rename. The current name will be highlighted. Delete the current name and type a new name. Press Enter after typing the name. 2. Using right-click. Right-click the Worksheet tab. Select Rename from the context menu. Then, type the new name you want and press Enter on the keyboard. Deleting a worksheet. Remove unnecessary worksheets to keep your workbook clean and manageable. Before you delete a worksheet, understand that deleting a worksheet is permanent and cannot be undone once confirmed, especially if the worksheet contains data. Microsoft Excel will warn you if the sheet contains data. Once you confirm deletion, the content cannot be recovered. To delete a worksheet, do any of the following. 1. Using right-click. Right-click the Worksheet tab you want to delete. Select Delete from the context menu. Confirm the deletion in the dialog box, if prompted. 2. Using Delete Sheet on the Home tab. On the Home tab, in the Cells group, click the Delete drop-down arrow. Select Delete Sheet from the list. Confirm deletion when prompted. Moving or copying a worksheet. You can rearrange worksheets within the same workbook or copy them to other workbooks. To move a worksheet, using drag and drop. Click and drag the Worksheet tab to a new desired position among the other tabs. A small black arrow indicates where the sheet will be placed. To copy a worksheet, using drag and drop with the Control key. Hold down the Control key, then, click and drag the Worksheet tab to a new position. A copy of the worksheet will be created using the Move or Copy dialog box. This method provides more options, including moving or copying a worksheet to a different workbook. To use this method, follow these steps. 1. Right-click the Worksheet tab you want to move or copy. 2. Select Move or Copy from the context menu. 3. In the Move or Copy dialog box. To move to a different workbook, select the target workbook from the To Book drop-down. If you have more than one open workbook, each of the open workbooks will be an option in the drop-down list. Under Before Sheet, choose where you want to place the worksheet. If you want to create a copy of the worksheet, ensure the Create a Copy checkbox is checked. 4. Click OK. The sheet will be moved to the selected destination. Hiding and unhiding worksheets. Hide worksheets to keep sensitive data out of sight or to simplify the view of your workbook without deleting the data. To hide a worksheet, use any of the following options. 1. Using right-click. Right-click the Worksheet tab and select Hide from the context menu. 2. Using Hide Sheet on the Home tab. On the Home tab, in the Cells group, click Format. From the list, point to Hide and Unhide under Visibility. Select Hide Sheet. To unhide a worksheet, use any of the following options. 1. Using right-click. Right-click any visible worksheet tab and select Unhide from the context menu. Select the sheet you want to unhide, and click OK. 2. Using Unhide Sheet on the Home tab. On the Home tab, in the Cells group, click Format. From the list, point to Hide and Unhide under Visibility. Select Unhide Sheet. In the Unhide dialog box, select the hidden sheet you want to unhide, and click OK. Understanding and mastering worksheet management allows you to organize complex datasets, create separate reports, and navigate your workbooks efficiently. In our next lesson, we'll discuss how to modify columns and rows.